Hi. Hope you have a great day. To start with my first tutorial. Here I am to show you quick guides to help you in increasing your productivity in your designing skills. So, let's start with some tips to select and move objects quickly. First, start with Rectangle Selection Tool. Just select the whole object and press V key and start moving object with arrow keys. You can also use Lasso tool for the selection. Select the object with Lasso tool and press the V key and start moving object with arrow keys. Similarly, you can use Polygonal Lasso tool. Just select the object and again press V key and start moving object with using arrow keys. Similarly, you can do the same thing with Magnetic Lasso tool. Just click on any edge of the object and start moving mouse cursor on the edge of the object so that Magnetic Lasso tool can do its job properly. After selecting the object, just press V key and start moving object with arrow keys. One more quick way to select whole object is to click on the thumbnail of the object by pressing Ctrl key and you are done. Just start moving objects with arrow keys. Another way to select objects is using Quick Selection tool. Just select it and click on the Select Subject button on the top header section and it will do the job for you in just single click. But if you notice that some areas has left, then don't worry. Just cover it by using same tool or by using any type of lasso tool and press the V key and start moving object with arrow keys as you like. That's all for now. Hope you like it and will help you in your job to do it more quickly. For more tutorials, stay tuned with my channel.